First, when I come down to the stream, I hear the water running, and it kind of gets me excited about the flow. That water trickling through there, it's a soothing motion. There is no sounds of cars and stuff driving by, so that hits me. The birds are singing.
It's always so interesting because the stream is always changing, and it's always fascinating to see the aquatic insect life that changes from hour to hour on the stream surface. As the way the trout behave. It's all very much of an adventure.
What makes Sand Creek unique in this area, the clarity of the stream and the amount of flows that are within this, and the quality of the fish. Most of the fish are very healthy. The numbers of fish that are in this stream are very, very high.
It's a very special limestone stream that arises from a very short distance above where we are right now. It has crystal clear water. It's very pristine. Its natural history makes it very, very unique.
My name's Dave Gammett. Been fly fishing Sand Creek 30 years, and the stream is a beautiful stream with tons of fish in it, which is a rarity in a lot of these areas.
Whenever I come back to Sand Creek, it's like a spiritual return for me. My grandfather and grandmother had a cabin up here, and I've been fishing here on Sand Creek for as long as I can remember.
The neat thing is it's a challenging stream. You come in here, you know there's fish in here, so that makes you work efforts to get into these fish. Never get bored because of each opportunity and each bend or twist on the creek gives you a different opportunity than it did last time. You see a lot of life, not only the trout stream in itself, but the animals that feed through here and the bird life. It's a whole package.
Most anglers would probably agree that it's not about catching fish usually. It's enjoying just the experience of being in the out of doors. Wild trout are very interesting creatures, and it's fun to see them and ponder them in their natural habitat.
To me, it's also an exercise of being able to move through the stream. And I don't want to interfere with anybody else when I come out here, and it's nice to know that you have a wide area to fish without being interrupted.
You know, angling is a very important part of our history, and I think it's something we should preserve for future generations.
The in-stream water rights are important to me. 10% of the world's water is fresh water. Of that 10%, 1% of it is suitable for trout fishing. That's how rare this is. You don't realize what you have until you lose it. These streams are very much a jewel, and you need to treat it as such.